Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are going to talk about OLA Roadster X Plus performance, a vision of the future, a masterpiece of design, a revolution on two wheels. Standing in this luxurious showroom, illuminated by a soft ambient glow, is the OLA Roadster X Plus, a machine that redefines what it means to ride. Its presence is magnetic, drawing you in with its sleek contours, futuristic aesthetics, and the unmistakable aura of innovation. The showroom is a sanctuary of elegance, with polished floors reflecting the gleaming body of this electric marvel. The air is thick with anticipation, the kind that comes before a bold new chapter in mobility begins. Behind the machine, its name stands proudly in glowing letters, OLA Roadster X Plus. A name that speaks of progress, of pushing boundaries, of rewriting the rules of electric performance. Move closer, and the details begin to tell their story. The sculpted frame, built with precision. The aerodynamic flow, designed for speed and efficiency. The aggressive yet refined LED headlamps, cutting through the air like a beacon of the future. Every line, every angle, is a statement of power and sophistication. But this isn't just about looks. Beneath the surface lies a force of pure electric performance. The OLA Roadster X Plus delivers instant torque at the twist of the throttle. No delay, no hesitation, just a seamless surge of power, propelling you forward with exhilarating acceleration. The electric heart beats strong, offering an experience unlike any other, a ride that is silent, smooth, and incredibly powerful. As you stand in this showroom, you can almost hear it, feel it. The sound of the wind rushing past, the sensation of effortless movement, the thrill of commanding a machine that responds with perfect precision. The OLA Roadster X Plus isn't just fast, it's smart. Its state-of-the-art digital console brings technology to your fingertips. A sleek touchscreen display keeps you connected, providing real-time navigation, ride analytics, and seamless smartphone integration. The future of riding isn't just about performance, it's about intelligence. Safety and control are paramount. The advanced braking system, with regenerative technology, ensures confidence in every turn, every stop, every moment. The suspension is finely tuned, absorbing the road with effortless grace, whether gliding through city streets or conquering the highway. Every ride is a masterpiece. Every journey, a statement. The battery is a work of art in itself, high capacity, fast charging, seamlessly integrated. With a range that keeps you moving, and smart energy management that optimizes every mile, the OLA Roadster X Plus is built to go the distance. Ride further, ride smarter, ride without limits. In this showroom, it stands as more than just a motorcycle. It is a testament to the future. A future where sustainability meets adrenaline. Where electric power meets raw excitement. Where luxury meets technology in perfect harmony. The OLA Roadster X Plus is here. Ready to lead a new era of electric mobility. Ready to redefine what's possible. Ready to be yours. This is not just a ride. This is the revolution. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.